Well, hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC. Out here in front of you is the xfly F-15 twin 40 motors. Great flying little jet. You can get it through AliExpress or Amazon or the American distributor. All right, let's take it up and have some fun with her.
Motor is hot. Don't get burned.
Oh, and the American distributor, I forgot, that's Banana Hobby. If that's who you want to get it from, they also sell it. You can get it on Amazon though, and they get probably a whole lot faster. Alright, I got the nose wheel gyro engaged, got a I think it's a 2600 SMC pack in there, and flying in my high rates. And remember, you only got pitch and yaw, you don't have flying rudder. So, and we do have a crosswind across the runway, so
Starting the fun over.
let's take it up and have some fun. Hit them bumps. Time
remaining 3 minutes.
Well, those twin 40 sounds so good in that small little plane. Half throttle there. My wife bought this for me for Christmas, I think, not this last Christmas, but the Christmas before. I think she said she bought it from Banana Hobby. So, alright. There's like no wind right now. Take it up, kill the motor. Same thing again.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Alright, take it out of here. Let's get maybe a touch and go or something. More than enough power to push over out of inverted. I think I'm going to looks like landing from the east is going to be a little bit more advantageous to me. Alright. I'm going to switch to my mid rates now, see if I like that a little bit better. Still got a minute.
1 minute.
Yeah. Doesn't seem quite as twitchy. Whoa, bump, 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 bump. We got a bad bump in the runway right there. Look at a little flight. All right. get a good look at the plane. Just a great looking little plane. Flies really well. All right, let me share my rates with you. All right, I ended up with mid rates. That's 85% on ailerons with a 40% expo, I think. No, 30% expo. An elevator is 90% with 30% expo. All right. All right, let me take you back. Let's take you back to the bench, and I'll show you my forward programming in the nose wheel gyro settings. Okay, this is my nose wheel gyro. Well, hold on. And the gains are at 30% gain with a 50% window, and that's how that works there. All right. AS3X gains, one-time gains, 40 and 50. There is no yaw. Priority, both all at 100, but of course no yaw doesn't matter. Nothing on heading. Stop lock both at 50 on pitch and on roll and pitch. So, alrighty. Let's check our battery real quick. Oh gosh, still had 45 seconds left on a
Starting the fun over.
3.5 minute timer, and still 48% left. So I definitely could have flown. I could have set that probably for 4 minutes and had no come back at about 20%. So, all right. Well, there you go. You already seen the plane, but that's it. That of course got the cap off. And this is Fat Guy Flies RC saying God bless y'all. Keep them in the air. Thank you, Precious, for the plane, and God bless y'all. God is good, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye. All right, folks.
Don't get burned.
Second flight. This is our bonus flight of the X-15 Eagle, twin 40 Eagle, F-15. Take off from the east this time. Nose wheel gyro is engaged. Hit that bump. Hit some bumps. Shabump, shabump, shabump. Here's your bumps. A little bit of elevator input needed. I ain't gonna lie, I lost my orientation. I forget which way was up. Luckily I had enough altitude to save me. In my mid-range, just so you know. 85% over 30% expo on elevator and aileron.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Wish we actually had more wind today. But it's okay, it's a beautiful day. All right. All right, let's let the nose wheel gyro do its thing here. Yep, hit them bumps and off you go. Well, full speed.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
I'll touch and go here. Touch and go without the touch. How about that? Yeah, I think I'm liking mid-rates better. Still a drill bit. All right. Remember, you don't have thrust reverse or flaps, so. All right, see if we can take off without hitting them bumps this time. There we go. Unfortunately, you want to stay in the middle of the runway when you land and you take off, but that's where our bumps are. I'm sorry I'm so far out, I know. There are them bumps. Let me just take off from this side over here. A little bit better there. Well, it's a good flying jet. So locked in. That AS3X Plus is wonderful. Especially small, light little jets. They huge help. Huge help. Bam, bam, bump, bump, bump. All right, let's check our battery.
Motor is stopped. Safe to the touch.
Still had 44 seconds left on a 4-minute timer. I changed it to 4 minutes. By the way, there's my battery placement. That's the SMC, it's Velcroed in. Let me set the camera down. All right. Had 44 seconds left.
Starting the fun over.
On a 4-minute timer. 31% left. And you saw where I had the battery. Alrighty, folks. Well, thank you so much for watching. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends. Honey, thank you for the plane. And we'll catch y'all in the field. And God is good. Bye-bye.